Hello and welcome back to our channel where every video has links in the description to our favorite products and services for the topics covered. As the seasons change, so do the types of flowers that are in bloom. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 seasonal flower arrangements to celebrate the changing seasons. These arrangements are not only beautiful but also perfect for decorating your home or surprising a loved one with a thoughtful gift. So let's get started. Number 5. Spring flowers. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have spring flowers. Spring is the season of new beginnings and fresh blooms. Some popular spring flowers include daffodils, tulips, and hyacinths. You can create a beautiful arrangement using these flowers and brighten up your home with the colors of spring. Number 4. Summer flowers. Moving on to number 4, we have summer flowers. Summer is the season of sunshine and warmth, and the perfect time for outdoor gatherings. Some popular summer flowers include sunflowers, zinnias, and dahlias. These flowers can be arranged in a vase or used as a centerpiece for your next summer gathering. Number 3. Fall flowers. Coming in at number 3, we have fall flowers. Fall is the season of harvest and warm colors. Some popular fall flowers include chrysanthemums, marigolds, and asters. These flowers can be used to create a beautiful autumnal arrangement that will bring warmth and coziness to your home. Number 2. Winter flowers. At number 2, we have winter flowers. Winter is the season of snow and holiday cheer. Some popular winter flowers include amaryllis, poinsettias, and holly. These flowers can be used to create a beautiful winter arrangement that will brighten up your home and add to the festive mood of the season. Number 1. Year-round flowers. And finally, at number 1, we have year-round flowers. These are the flowers that bloom throughout the year, regardless of the season. Some popular year-round flowers include roses, carnations, and lilies. You can create a beautiful arrangement using these flowers and enjoy their beauty all year long. There you have it, our top 5 seasonal flower arrangements to celebrate the changing seasons. These arrangements are not only beautiful but also perfect for decorating your home or surprising a loved one with a thoughtful gift. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Check out the description below for links that will help you find the perfect flowers for the season. If you found this video informative, subscribe to our channel for more great videos and make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, every video on our channel has links to get you the best deals on the products and services in the video. And as always, thanks for watching.